So good morning from Hanley Farm Classic Car Show. It's cars and coffee stall event near Chepstow. It's just going to be a very quick walk around to show you what is here. I've been here about an hour and I'm supposed to be somewhere else. There are some lovely cars here on display. Mix of modern, retro, classic, American, a couple of sports cars. And some fairly rare stuff too. These ST170s are going to be valuable in the future. So if you can find an unusual one, 3 doors, or at least even rarer if you can find the estate, be worth grabbing. Low mileage one, looking after it. Lovely DC5 Tegra. Austin Metro and an MG Metro.
Just wanted cash basically, easy money, and smells like scam a rat.
V Super Clean Lotus Carlton. Lovely old Hummer Imperial. You don't see many of these anymore. Rust absolutely killed them. It's a shame. Some cars are still coming in. And someone was asking whether there was a Mustang here. But that was on the live stream. They're also asking about an Evo. And both have come in now. Like, it's unusual to see one with a top up as well. Defender is an absolute monster. 130 twin turbo V8, triple shocks. Yeah, built for some serious adventure. Lovely Mark II Escort Mexico. XR 4x4. Had a G-Reg black one. Wish I still had it. That was a great car. Sadly, it's long gone now. Mark 1 RS 1600. The Kai car. Daihatsu Copen. Another future classic. If you can find a good phase 1 or phase 2 VTR or VTS Saxo with low mileage, definitely worth hanging on to. The prices of those will rocket. Mark II Golf with diesel conversion. 250, 114, 115 coupe. The 250, I believe, is the rare one. That's the one that they had notorious engine problems with. It actually gave Mercedes a bit of a bad reputation at the time. SD1 Van den Pla, Puma, Mini Club and Estate. Up, say up, 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 no way. I'm not crazy. It's an Up GTI, they're a great little city car. Ford F100. Rare Mini. John Cooper Works GP. Oh, so retro MR2 with a T-bar. I think that might be an import. Probably a Mustang RTR.
No, not really, no. There's two.
This is quite rare. Insignia GSI. 996 turbo. Classic Vectra GSI sedan. A rare now. A lot of the 90s, late 90s, early 2000s performance models. So like Mondeo STs, Vectra GSIs, Mount Laguna 3 litre, 406 3 litre, and the 406 coupes are increasingly rare now. And here a 2-stroke. And the classic Triumph. So, right, I'll end the video off here and I'll catch you on the next one.